Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to dive into something that's literally changing the game for how we do research. We're talking about building your AI toolkit for 2025 and honestly, for the future. So let's get into it. All right, let me ask you something, and be honest. Does your research process ever feel, well, a little stuck in the past? You know, with those endless piles of papers, all the manual data entry, and those late nights fighting with citation formats? It kind of feels like you're trying to text on a flip phone in a world of smartphones, right? If you found yourself nodding along, even a little bit, you are in exactly the right place. In this explainer, we're going to give your whole workflow a serious 21st century upgrade. We're talking about moving from just grinding it out to, well, to intelligent collaboration. So every great research project has to start somewhere. And where is that? With a great idea, of course. This is the discovery phase. And let's be real, it's often the toughest part of the entire journey. I mean, we've all been there, haven't we? Just staring at a blank screen, feeling totally overwhelmed by this ocean of existing studies, just trying to find that one little gap, that one unexplored question. It's pretty much a rite of passage for any researcher. Well, say hello to your new AI co-pilots for this phase. A tool like Answer This literally sifts through mountains of literature to find what hasn't been studied yet, actual research gaps. And then, once you've got your question, something like NextData helps you find the perfect data set to actually answer it. And here's the key. You're starting off with a clear, data-backed direction right from day one. No more guesswork. Okay, so you've nailed down your research gap. Awesome. But now comes the part everyone dreads, the literature review. Let's see how our AI toolkit can help us tackle this beast. This quote just says it all, doesn't it? That lit review can feel like this huge mountain you have to climb before you can even start your own research. It's slow, it's exhausting, and it is just begging for a smarter way to do things. So here's how you conquer that mountain. Think of SciSpace as your super fast research assistant. It just pulls out the key findings from papers in seconds. Then you've got Litmaps, which does something amazing. It creates these visual maps showing how different papers are all connected, so you can see the whole conversation. And then there's Noah AI, which can actually help you write the first draft of your review. Now look, this isn't about AI doing your thinking for you. It's about giving you a launch pad so you can get to the thinking part faster. All right, quick pit stop. Let's see where we are on this journey. We've used AI to power our discovery and to automate a huge chunk of our literature review. So what's next? Well, now we get to the really good stuff, the actual writing, followed by polishing it up and sharing it with the world. Okay, this is where things get really cool. Instead of you alone staring down a blinking cursor on a blank page, imagine having an AI writing partner right there with you, helping you shape your ideas and build your paper. Now, let's break these down because each one has a specific superpower. Jenni AI is awesome for just getting that rough first draft out and handling your citations as you write. Research Pal is more like a writing coach, you know? It helps you fine-tune your academic tone and make your points clearer. And Liner is an absolute lifesaver for one of the most painful tasks, instantly dropping citations right where you need them. Seriously, no more stopping your flow to hunt for a reference. Just think about that for a second. What if you could cut the time you spend on all that tedious drafting and citation management by, say, 50%? What would you do with all that extra time? This is the kind of efficiency gain we're talking about here. It frees up your brain for the stuff that actually matters, your ideas. Okay, the first draft is done. High five. But we all know the real work is in the rewrite, right? Now it's time to analyze your data with real precision and polish that manuscript until it absolutely shines. This quote just nails it, doesn't it? That last 10% of the work, the meticulous editing, the data checks, the proofreading, that's what turns a simple submission into a published paper. It's where the magic happens. And this set of tools is basically your personal quality control team. DataLumio can crunch your research data in seconds, maybe even spotting trends that you might have missed. Paperpal is like your eagle-eyed proofreader, catching every little grammar mistake and typo. Thesis can give you a high-level evaluation of your thesis' quality, but check out Review It. This tool is designed to give you feedback on your paper as if it were a human reviewer. I mean, come on, that is a total game changer for getting your work publication ready. At last, your paper is done. It's polished, it's ready, you're feeling good. But the journey isn't quite over yet. Now you've got to get it out into the world and actually make an impact. And this is where it gets really creative. We're moving way beyond just emailing a PDF and hoping for the best. With a tool like Speechify, you can turn your paper into an audio file so people can listen to your research on their commute. Or how about Bohrium? It can help you transform your dense paper into a sharp, visually engaging poster or even a short video. This is all about maximizing your reach and impact in today's world. So there you have it. From that first spark of an idea all the way to sharing your findings with the world, we've just walked through a totally new AI-powered research workflow. And the best part? This isn't science fiction. These tools are out there ready to use right now. So let's just quickly recap the big wins here. You get to automate the tedious, soul-crushing tasks. You dramatically speed up your entire research timeline. You get to free up your mind to focus on the deep, critical thinking that, honestly, only you can do. And at the end of the day, you seriously enhance the quality and the impact of your work. And that really brings us to the most important question of all, the big so what? If AI can take care of the process of research, freeing you from all the grunt work that used to eat up so much of your time and energy, what happens next? What incredible new ideas, what bold new questions, what undiscovered frontiers will you finally have the freedom to go out and explore? The toolkit is here. The rest is up to you.